Hi, welcome viewers. It is your data with Raja again. Today in this video, we're going to see what is metrics in business. So this term is often used by business leaders and managers, but metrics are nothing but the quantitative or numerical assessment used for tracking the performance, success, or failure in a business so as to take wise decisions for the benefit of the business. Metrics can be different and changing from organization to organization. Let us see some examples. Imagine you are a sports bike manufacturer. Then your metrics will be the sales of a bike or defects or number of warranties in a month divided by the number of bikes produced in the same month. Imagine you are running an e-commerce business. Then your metrics would be on glance view of a product in your catalog or star rating of a product and so on. This is a chart that shows a matrix called sales, and this chart tells you that the sales is coming down eventually, which is a danger to the business. Wait. First, how are these metrics decided? Now, here's the answer. Metrics are derived from the vision and goal of the organization, also considering the voice of customer, the voice of related business operations, and the voice of suppliers. You can see my previous video to understand these voices by the above suggested link. Now, metrics flow diagram. This is the way organization derive their metrics. First of all, organization would have a vision and a mission, and next with a common metric or an objective, and then it comes with the output metrics, and one level down is the input metrics, and finally is the operational levers. So this is how any organization would derive their metrics till their last process in their organization. Now let us see what are all these levels. So vision is nothing but a long-term purpose or how the organization wants to be in future. And mission is organizations strive to do for their customers and keep on improving it. And common objective is mostly used in larger organization, which is a high level metric to direct all the team towards to work on a common goal. And one level down is the output metrics, and another level down is the input metrics, and finally the operational levers, which is nothing but your productivity, your quality score, and so on. So remember people, always all these metrics are interconnected, and improving any metric from the bottom will have a good benefit in the business. So let us see an example. Imagine again you wanted to start a business on e-commerce and you wanted to become one of the largest apparel e-commerce business in India. So that would be your vision. So now my vision is to become India's largest apparel e-commerce company, but my mission would be to provide the customers the right product, the right quality at right time and right price. For achieving this, I would have a common metrics like sales, profit, and customer satisfaction. In order to achieve these, I must have an output metric, which is nothing but the customer returns or maybe your number of orders versus your view count in your catalog, something like that. And now input metrics is nothing but my incoming quality and quality of the catalog page, and operational levers can be quality of a quality audit score or product productivity. So this tells you that improving any of the operation lever would directly improve output and input and output and common metrics and at last to the mission vision. Now, this is the most important one, which is the metrics that are used in data science projects. So there are two kinds of metrics used in data science project, and one is nothing but the business metrics, which we saw in the previous slides, and I hope you understand how they derive all these metrics. And next is model metrics. So whenever we choose a data science project, you have to choose the right metrics in both business and model so that it directly coordinates with the business and benefit of the business. And success criteria metrics. Success criteria metrics is nothing but it must answer some of the questions like what is the metric and what is the timeline to achieve it, and who is the responsible for the metrics and what resources are required. And next you have metrics that are dependent on SLA. In some cases, you would do a data science project that would have an impact once you complete the project. Then you have to take lead metrics. But if it takes time to materialize, you have to take lag metrics. And next, choose a metric that would help to solve the problem both in business and model perspective. There are many model metrics which we would see in future, and success metrics and criteria must match, which is more important. How should you derive a metrics to your team? That is so simple. That is a smart approach, which is specific, measurable, attainable, and realistic and time bound. This is so easy and known. And this video explains most of the metrics used in business, and we will see an example in my next video on how to learn domain knowledge easily along with metrics for any commerce industry. So I hope you liked my video on metrics. So like my videos and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, and hit the bell icon for notification.